AI generates SEO articles Google loves #1 ranking. It's 3 a.m. A lone content writer, let's call him Kevin, is on his 7th cup of coffee. He's staring into the abyss of a blank Google Doc, his task to write 1,500 words on the revolutionary impact of industrial-grade grommet manufacturing. His will to live is evaporating faster than the steam from his mug. He has one simple, soul-crushing directive: make it rank on Google. Cut to the present day. Kevin is now on a beach in Bali, sipping from a coconut. His secret? He outsourced his existential dread to a new colleague, an artificial intelligence that doesn't need coffee, sleep, or to remember the crushing absurdity of writing about grommets. The age of AI-generated SEO content is here, and it's not just a wave. It's a veritable tsunami of perfectly optimized, semantically rich, and, dare we say, Google-adored prose. But how did we get here, and what does it truly take for a silicon brain to craft an article that captures the #1 spot? The journey begins not with a flash of inspiration, but with a digital bloodhound. Modern AI, specifically the sophisticated large language models, LLMs, that power today's tools, doesn't just write. It first performs a forensic-level investigation. It sniffs out the top 10 ranking articles for a target keyword, dissecting them with the cold, analytical precision of a cyborg surgeon. It's looking for patterns. What are the common subheadings? What questions are the people also ask boxes posing? What is the average word count, sentence length, and semantic density? It's a high-stakes heist where the AI is casing the joint of Google's first page, learning the security system before it even attempts the robbery. This is where the comedy gold lies. In its quest for comprehensiveness, the AI can sometimes develop a personality best described as overenthusiastic in turn. It learns that listicles and step-by-step guides perform well. So, an article on how to bake sourdough bread might suddenly include a section titled Step 7, Achieving Spiritual Enlightenment Through Perfect Fermentation. It has correlated depth with word count and user satisfaction with answering every conceivable tangential question. The result is a piece of content so thorough, so exhaustive, that it not only tells you how to fix a leaky faucet, but also delves into the history of indoor plumbing and the philosophical implications of water's relentless flow. But this comprehensiveness is precisely why Google's algorithms, particularly the latest helpful content update and its core web vitals, have developed a strange affection for well-prompted AI. Google's mission is to satisfy user intent. If a searcher types in best budget smartphones 2025, they don't want a poetic musing on the nature of communication. They want a clean, data-rich, easily scannable list with specs, pros, cons, and links to buy. An AI, when properly directed, is a master of this format. It can generate tables, bullet points, and comparative analyses at a speed and scale no human team can match. It's immune to writer's block, boredom, and the desperate urge to make a pun about smartphones. The true magic, the secret sauce that elevates an article from AI generated to #1 ranking, is the human-AI collaboration. Think of the AI as a virtuoso musician who can play any note perfectly but has no idea what emotion is. The human is the conductor, the composer, the one who provides the soul. A human expert knows that a section on grommet corrosion resistance is critical, but the AI might not, unless told. The human can inject a witty analogy, a relatable anecdote, or spot when the AI has confidently stated that grommets were invented by the ancient Romans to hold their togas together, a fact that is hilariously, catastrophically wrong. This partnership is the future. The human provides the strategy, the brand voice, the expert nuance, and the final quality control. The EAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness, that Google craves. The AI acts as an infinite, hyper-efficient research assistant and first draft generator. It's the difference between sending a scout to map a territory and having a satellite image of the entire continent. The human then uses that map to build the most efficient and pleasant road for the user to travel. Of course, The landscape is not all sunshine and rainbows. The internet is now flooding with what can only be described as zombie content. Articles generated with zero human oversight, devoid of personality, and often containing subtle inaccuracies. This is the digital equivalent of a factory farming content, producing bland, nutrient-deficient word porridge. Google's algorithms are getting increasingly adept at sniffing out and demoting this low-effort slop. They can detect a lack of EAT, a repetitive structure, and an absence of the unique, human perspective that signals a page was created for people, not just for crawlers. So, does AI generate SEO articles Google loves? Emphatically yes, but with a colossal caveat. It's the AI that is guided, edited, and infused with human expertise. The number one ranking isn't going to cold. Robotic text dump. It's going to the article that leverages AI's unparalleled efficiency and data processing power while retaining the wit, wisdom, and warmth of a human mind. It's a powerful alloy, stronger than either component alone. As for Kevin on the beach, he's not just sipping cocktails. He's logged in, reviewing a dozen AI-generated drafts on sustainable grommet materials. He adds a paragraph from his own experience about a factory visit, tweaks a clunky metaphor, and inserts a perfectly timed joke about a grommet that changed the world. He hits publish. A week later, he gets the notification. His article is number one. He smiles, not at the machine, but at the perfect symphony he conducted with it. The future of SEO isn't human versus machine. It's human amplified. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.